doctor. I've come from London, and I had a lot of problems with my teeth. And my husband somehow found Myra Dental Clinic on Google. So we decided to come here. And I have never experienced such a gentle dentist and a very professional team. Every step of the procedure, I was well informed and there were no questions unanswered. The experience was totally pain-free. I had 4 implants at Myra Dental Clinic, and I would recommend Myra Dental Clinic to anyone who has got problems with their teeth.